Hi, Rush. Ivy. Hi, Ivy. Hi, my sweets. How you doing? You boys looking for your mama? You looking for your mama, Clover? What did you say, Ivy? You gonna get Rush? Get him, Ivy. Get him. Get him, sweetie. Get him. You're so stinking cute, I can't stand it. Clover! What you doing over there, buddy?